Spurge here, and today we're going to take a quick look at the new line of chemicals and cleaners from Stockton. So what you're going to see on the table is the new line of Stockton tool cleaners. Now, this is a company that we have known for years for manufacturing tools specific to motorcycles. I have a little Stockton chain breaker kit that I've been using for the past 5 years or so. It's served me quite well. It's what I change all my chains with when I'm down in the shop. So they have this long reputation of developing tools specific to the two-wheeled audience, and now they're getting into chemicals and cleaners to serve this audience as well. So what you're going to see is a wide variety of cleaners at the moment. You've got leather cleaner, bike cleaners, polishes, waxes, tire cleaners, conditioners. The whole gamut is going to be what Stockton is bringing to the market. Now, one of the things that we can kind of hit on here as we're looking at the cleaners, prices are going to range from $8 up to $50. And when you're getting up into $50, that's some of the larger containers that you kind of mix up with your washes in maybe like a bucket form versus some of the spray-on cleaners that you're going to see, which have, you know, the lower price options here. So all the washes and detailers are going to be pH balanced, and really what that means is when you're washing it, it's not going to remove the waxes that you've already detailed your motorcycle with, and all the products here are silicone free. Silicone oftentimes finds its way into aerosol sprays, and if you breathe that in, it is a carcinogen. So all of the cleaners that are going to be highlighted within the Stockton line are going to be silicone free. Now, the one thing to note here is that the matte finish detailer and the quick detailer can be used as helmet cleaners, but from what the reps at Stockton tell us is that you can't get that on an iridium visor. It can, take that iridium finish off, so you're not going to want to use those to clean helmets. What I would say is that I think the fact that Stockton hasn't introduced at a time of this recording a helmet cleaner, and the other big thing that I think is missing from this lineup would be a chain cleaner and a chain lube. The fact that Stockton is a company that has prided themselves on creating tools for motorcyclists. One of the main adjustment points for a motorcycle is adjusting that chain. I am a little bit disappointed that Stockton didn't include a chain cleaner or a chain lube right out of the gate. However, I would imagine that's something that they're probably working on to introduce into this line as an addition shortly. So again, this is just a quick, brief overview that Stockton, while historically has been a tool manufacturer, now has a complete line of cleaning products for your motorcycle. We're heading into the springtime at the time of the recording of this video, so it's definitely a time to get out and start washing the dust off of those motorcycles. If you want more information about any of the chemicals or cleaners here, you can click the little info button on your desktop or mobile device, and you can check out all the individual PDPs, which has all the detailed information and uses for every piece of the new Stockton line. And if you're not sure as to which product is right for cleaning or waxing or conditioning your motorcycle tires or gear, you can always reach out to one of our customer service reps, and they can walk you through all the different lines of cleaners and lubes available on the market to make sure you find the right product for your intended use. I want to thank you for joining us today for this quick look at the new line of Stockton chemicals and cleaners. I'm Spurge. Enjoy the ride.